Hi, my name is Mike Feldman. I'm with the Bankruptcy Law Office of Michael Feldman, located in the heart of Old Town in San Diego, California. Our office focuses on bankruptcy for businesses and individuals. The truth of the matter is, now more than ever, you need bankruptcy protection to level the playing field between you and financial institutions. You may be facing loss of a job, you're behind in mortgage payments, or other financial obligations, including medical expenses that you cannot pay. Under the Bankruptcy Code, Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 may be available to you to deal with these situations. Under Chapter 7, you can eliminate your debt and reestablish your credit. Chapter 13 may allow you to keep your home and do away with your second mortgage. We care about you, and we want to make it simple for you to contact us. All you need to do is contact my office by telephone at 619-297-5811 or go to our website at bklawyernow.com. We understand that this is a difficult time and you do need help. Don't put it off. Let the law offices of Michael A. Feldman be there for you.